you're disabled. But let me tell you this, bills don't get disabled. Bills still keep coming,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Keep coming in, and they have to be paid. The mortgage doesn't get disabled notice either. So you're able to access out of your life insurance. If you have one, get with your agent and ask them, do I have the living benefits? If not, give us a call. We'll give you a quote as to how simple and economic it is. And we also help. So that was the proper protection one. We also help with retirement, savings, retirement management. So if you want to start something, maybe your employer doesn't offer retirement account, we can help you set one up, give you more information in detail to show you where exactly your money is going to be working, how to monitor your money, and we make it really simple with oranges and apples where we can all understand it. None of this, difficult terminology, right? So we help with this, with the retirement also, not only setting one up, Shelton, but also, if you have a 401k or 403b, a TRS, you have something with the city, knowing what are your options, right? If you need to move that money, even if, don't think your money, it's too small. I only have this amount. It's not much. But let me tell you, you can save and have something work for that money that you have. I can give you some options as to what are some of the options that are out there for you, and we can make your decision, help you how to take out that money. And last but not least, we also help with how to do wills, right, and trust, and leave everything in order, because in the state of Texas, if it's not in black and white and paper, right, the state is the first one to come and collect, unfortunately. So, yeah, right? So it's definitely having everything in order with your signature on it. That's what you want to be done if something happens to you. So those are some of the topics that we're able to help with. So as we go with the show, I'll be going more in depth into each one of them. Right, so stay tuned. I know you have some great information, but also get with Shelton or get with myself as to what you want or what questions do you have in specific. If anybody out there can get a hold of us, Mr. Shelton, or let us know some of the questions that they have.
Yeah, I'm looking at the chat right now. I don't see anybody saying anything. I guess you're acting shy today. I'm not sure, but you covered a lot of information though that's really gonna be helpful, and I know these shows are gonna help a lot because it breaks it down again just to the common man and woman, and then also sometimes again we think insurance, we think expensive, we think big lingo and stuff, but it's really simple as more simple than we realize that it is. So I really appreciate again the time and energy that we're gonna be putting into these things to really just break it down to the community, because you're talking about seminars and workshops and things of that nature. So so those things sometimes can become intimidating. So we want to, like I say, we kind of take that fear away of getting insurance and getting covered, because sometimes not having it is really a selfish decision, and the amount that we'll pay for it per month is less than what we'll pay for meals when we go out to eat sometimes. So it's just about investing in yourself and loving yourself and your family enough, to say, I don't want to put them in a bad situation financially, or if something happens to me physically, I don't want to be in a bad situation. So it's almost like you say you can't afford it, but it's like you cannot afford it, right?
Cannot afford it not to have it, right? It's very important.
This is true. This is very true, man. Any questions for me? Any questions for any of my fans?
Do I have any questions for them?
Yeah.
Really, check what you have. We do a financial needs analysis as to what is it to be done. If you have any questions for the audience, would be get with a financial professional. That's not for us. You got some lots of information today, but take the time. Really take the time. 10 minutes or 5 minutes of your day to sit down and look, and really, if something happens, what will happen, right? If something happens, what's going to happen with my family, my kids, because sometimes it's out of our control, right? And we just don't know what's going to happen or when. So it's just being prepared for, any case that can be prepared as much as possible.
Do you think that the Hurricane Harvey, do you think that made people more prepared or more fearful?
That brought actually more awareness to everybody because Hurricane Harvey, I got a lot of clients calling, oh, I need this life insurance, and I really need to increase my life insurance because it was very devastating.
Mm-hmm.
And people, water is one of those that you can't control it. Some people don't know how to swim. I don't know, but there is actually some cases of people passing away.
Yeah.
So it brought more awareness to everyone. And, and it's something that it just, when the time happens, it just happens. And it brings more awareness as to, wow, I need not just insurance for my house, but I need insurance on myself, right? If something does happen, to protect my kids and my loved ones.
That's right. That's important, though. I think sometimes it's a selfish decision not to have it. So to everyone that's listening, man, that's a call to action. And you have her contact information. Please give your contact information again so they don't miss anything. But this is a call to action, though, if it's important. If you know someone that doesn't have life insurance or has a policy that they would like to get checked out and want to get more rate of return on their money, because the Dow Jones is steady going up. Y'all look at those numbers. It's around 26,000 or something like that. So it's steady up. So the numbers are looking well on that. So you want to make sure you put that money to work for you, because you work hard for your money. You work very hard for your money, not to just see it get taxed away when you decide to retire.
Yes, definitely. Call of action for everybody. And my details, once again, my direct line, 832-260-3404. Doesn't matter where in the United States you are. We can definitely let you in one of the local offices. And we're here in Houston as well. Please reach out. I'm in the 610 North Loop area, also in Pasadena in the Pearland area. We have offices. So reach out, 832-260-3404. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time. I really, really appreciate it, man. I know you guys are very busy. I'm looking forward to just continue to connecting with you. These shows that's going to be coming up, I'm very excited about the information that we're sharing with the people, because I think it's very important that the community hear these things and see these things, and then have faces in the community that they can see that they really genuinely care about them as people, whether they're bringing $5,000 to the table or $5 to the table. And that's imperative. And so more power to you and your husband, especially for what you guys are doing out there.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Shelton. We definitely look forward to cooperating together. And you guys have a great host right here, Mr. Shelton. I'm giving it back to you. Your consistently aspiration definitely enlightens me, and you bring a wealth of knowledge to the community, whether people are listening to you or listening to you in person, right? You bring energy to the room, right? You bring energy to the room, and it's contagious.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I really do. Thank you so much, man, for your time. Hey, I hope you guys had a great show. I hope you guys learned some things on Let's Get Your Home Loan Ready. Just bringing great things to you guys, man. Thank you guys everywhere for doing all the things that you're doing. Hit me up. Think About It Radio at yahoo.com, at Think_radio on Twitter, Think Radio on Instagram. Check out that website also, KOPECreditsolutions.com. You'll find some valuable information on there. Have a great day. Be good to yourself. Be good to somebody. Ms. Rios, thank you so much for your time. Peace.